Dan, dan. I'm watching the soundbar and it was like all the way at the top instead of like down, just the regular green part right there, there, like I can see like a green bar facing not face cam, like face cam, but it's not face cam. Beautiful hand. Okay, so I'm here doing with Lego the dog and start the episode on Lego the dog, beautiful hand, be assisting us today. So, my beautiful hands over the camera right now. Okay, so Lego, you do love me. I'm the best YouTuber ever. I'm the best YouTuber ever. Lego, I'm the best YouTuber ever. You have to sit all the way down. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. He knows it's on YouTube. So he's like, oh my god, I want to go to something down here. Or can I move idiot? Because of that chair. It's such a beautiful chair. Like, I don't even know what to say. That chair's so beautiful. So whatever, let's just get right to favorite toy. This. That's my nose. I'm just kidding. It's just little plastic face things you got that you just put in front of your recorder for no apparent reason. It's the Kong ball. It's a Kong tennis ball. See, it's a tennis ball, and it says, does the actual say Kong on it? It did say Kong on it. That's what's left of the Kong. So what this ball does is Lego chases it, and I've taken this one, taken this one, tennis matches before, and it goes. I don't realize until like how the match goes. And then Lego ears get all perked up. That's the real reason why he's here. He was just book. No. Alright. Oh, okay. But Lego, where are you going? Be right back. Lego. Guys, I'm back. So how did you enjoy looking at the Shane's lounge I was just sitting on? Hope it was lounging. Cricket. Cricket. Let me just put the ball over there a couple more times. Well, I'm just gonna fill with random crap. Oh, it just the door, the stairs. You gotta bring it better. So right up. Oh, do you guys see there? Because the computer was like, I'm on for too long. I'm gonna go back blackout. Bleh. So yeah. Lego. What's going on there? Lego, come. Tore his ACL recently. And I'll give you guys the sounds again, so I'm going to treat him. Yeah, so he's in recovery. If you're wondering why I haven't recorded lately, was because I've been sick. I am still a little bit sick. Making quite a racket up there, Lego. You down yet? Yes, you are. I've been quite sick. Oh my God. Quite sick recently, and it's been not helping. For the little kitty, school had just gotten up again, and of course that doesn't help at all, because you know now traffic's really heavy, and where I live, well not really, but it's heavier, because you know everybody that doesn't have summer jobs, you know, back in work, and or like when you know from the days at McDonald's, you know. Now, you know, stay-at-home moms aren't at McDonald's anymore. Even though they are going to McDonald's. I don't know what I'm saying. Stay-at-home moms are still saying not. Just ignore what I said. Oh man, just things have been more busy in my life. I haven't gotten my Earth Taken episodes or my Sniper Team / Sniper Squad. Really don't know what it's called, so I just do both of them. That wasn't as fun. That might not pick up again. And it will pick up again in a bit. So yeah, next week you'll know it. That stuff's picking up again. I know I want to do Earth Taken again because I'm so close to finishing it. So yeah, I will get to that on that. My snipers, I think my sniper Skype practice has been deleted. I'll check on that for next Sunday, but I really don't think I could do a sniper squad today, but I didn't want to. I wanted to do like get to know video, whatever, you know, catch up. And so, let's get one last beautiful look at the room that I do dog stuff with. I'm gonna go retrieve Lego so you can say bye. I'll be right back. Lego! Well, I'm almost done with the video, so whatever. Okay, guys, here's Lego, and he's saying, bye! Lego, bye! Lego, say bye! Lego, say bye! Lego, say bye! Yeah. Lego, say bye! Whatever. See you guys later, and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!